Have you ever wondered why some people make more money than other people and they do the exact same work day in and day out? They find a way to work for themselves and they make a profit doing it, not making their boss rich, but rather themselves. They focus on one big idea, one big new theory that changes their customers' lives so much that they tell everybody they know, and that one big idea creates a user experience. Then everyone in your niche starts talking about it too. For example, there's a lot of people out there in your marketplace that are creating the exact same products and services using the exact same messages as everybody else. But what you want to do is find something that's cool and exciting, then everybody can latch on to it because it's your movement. Like Tony Robbins' Firewalk, P90X Muscle Confusion, Amazon's one big store where you can buy anything, and Tesla's zero emissions. What does this mean for you? So I put together a completely free mini course just for you, showing you how to quit your job and start working for yourself successfully starting today. And the first steps for figuring out what your one big idea and movement can be, so you can really get to know your customers and provide the most value possible. So now you can monetize your advice, experience, and expertise and make the kind of money that you always dreamed about making right now. Now it's up to you to take action. Just click the link below and go to my website where you can enter your name and email to get instant access to my free mini course. So what are you waiting for? Don't meet me there, beat me there. I'll see you on the inside.